The Office of Research Design and Analysis is one of 4 units within Appalachian State's Office of Research. Our mission is to facilitate the research enterprise on campus by providing support in designing research projects, writing grants, setting up databases, analyzing the data, and writing up research reports. We prioritize support for faculty, but are usually also available to assist Appalachian staff and students. To better understand our services, let's think about the research process from beginning to end. First, researchers develop a research question and design a study or series of studies aimed to answer that question. During this phase, we can help in the following ways. First, we can help you brainstorm. Our staff can provide feedback on whether your research question is clearly articulated and whether the study you've designed will get you the right information to answer that question. Relatedly, we can sometimes provide support in development of materials for your research. If your research is in the social sciences, we can review your survey and other instruments to provide feedback on their quality. Of course, we always defer to you and your colleagues as content experts. Our feedback is focused on methodology. Another part of the research design process is developing a data analysis plan. Thinking ahead to how you will analyze your data helps ensure that you are collecting the right information up front. To help you develop a data analysis plan, we work with you to understand the nature of your study design and hypothesis or research questions. We then provide you advice on which statistical tests would be most appropriate. In conjunction with a data analysis plan, you will also need to estimate the size of the sample that you will need in order to detect the effects that you are predicting. We can provide you support in conducting your own power analysis, or we could conduct it for you. To do this, we'll need to understand your design, which analyses you plan to run, and the effect sizes that you are predicting. A final critical part of the research design process is developing a data management plan, which specifies who will have access to the data and how it will be stored. In RDA, we are proponents of open science practices, which means that we encourage faculty to publicly share their data using one of the many free forums that are available. Of course, we understand that this is not always possible, and it is up to each individual research team to decide how to manage their data. You may be designing your project as part of a grant proposal. Importantly, grant proposals frequently require data analysis plans, power analyses, and data management plans. Our office is here not just to provide advice on how to create these pieces, but may also have examples to share, and we are willing to review or even write chunks of text related to these components. If you anticipate needing our assistance to carry your project through to completion, then we ask that you write our office into your grant proposal. Reach out to us and we can discuss our very competitive rates and provide a cost estimate. We can also provide a letter of agreement to provide said services. Many faculty, students, and staff have completed collecting data before they reach out to us. That's fine too. We welcome researchers at all stages of the process. Here are the services we can provide at this stage. If you have data but are not sure how to analyze it, then set up an appointment with us and we can help you think through your options. You may not feel comfortable running the analyses yourself, so our staff are also available to run the analyses and help you interpret them. In some cases, we will also help you write up methods and results sections for manuscripts or conference submissions. In these cases, we may negotiate co-authorship on a case-by-case basis. Many of us typically experience one final stage of a research project, revision. It is common in academic research for manuscripts to get rejected outright or for requests to be made for major revisions. If you've gotten a request for revisions or a rejection and want feedback on the reviews related to the methodology and analysis, then we are available to help you work through it. If we can help you plan or complete your research project, please feel free to reach out to us. You can email us at rda@appstate.edu.